In here, you just need to select the last option. The, select the view tab and check mark this full screen box. And then right click on the game and select the start game option. Select OK option. And now you just need to press the C key in your keyboard to select the any option. And you can choose the option using AD. Select the C key to select it. You can choose the options in AD keys in your keyboard and then to select the options press the C key in your keyboard. Now you can play the game with WASD. As you can see, I can able to play. The game opens up without having any problem and you will never face any game related problem guys. Don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.